Alrighty, so the other day I was watching this great video by Video Game Esoteric discussing the GoldenEye 007 360 Recomp and how it's been updated and made much better. I personally have the Community Edition, which I've had for a couple of years, and I also have the Xenia version. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to take the Community Edition and get it running under the Recomp. You're going to have to get the Recomp files, so you're going to go to GitHub, go to this link up here at the top, SunJaycy /GoldenEye-Recomp. Then you're going to go over here to the right-hand side where it says Releases, GoldenEye Recomp, and this version is 1.2.4, which is the latest. We're going to click on that, and then we are going to need to download all of that. Click the recomp-win.rar. We're going to download that. And we're going to open that up, show in folder right here. So let's take that, let's open that up, open with whatever you may have, WinRAR. We're going to take all of this, we're going to copy it, we're going to go up one, we're going to go into GoldenEye Recomp Win, Assets, we're going to paste that in there, and then we're going to do one more step. And that is going to be, so we have one more step here. We're going to take this default ce.xex and we're going to rename that to just default xex. Going to go up one more, and now we're going to hit this GoldenEye exe, and you can also, if you wanted to, create a desktop shortcut to that or pin it to the start menu so you can just click on that every time. If you have, like say the Hunter Retro Fighters wireless gamepad, you have that connected, or an Xbox 360 or an Xbox One controller hooked to your PC, or if you just want to play with mouse and keyboard, this is going to work as well. So now we're just going to go ahead and click on the executable. Gee, run anyway. Allow. And it's gonna work. And oh, look at this, got one more trick for you. So you might notice that I already have quite a bit of the game unlocked. So if you happen to have the Xenia version of this and you've been playing that for a while, or you can get a copy of the save off the internet, you can go to your documents. So let's go. We're going to go to Documents. Now there's going to be a folder in here. It's going to say GE. We're going to go into that folder. The B13, just look at that and go there. And just keep clicking into it. That 007. The bean save.dat we will just copy from our Xenia folder. Xenia. We're going to go to Content. I believe it is this one. And yeah, this is correct. So we just copy. Like if you're using Xenia, it's going to be go to your Documents folder, go to Xenia, go to Content, go to folder 584108A9. Then the folder under that is going to be a bunch of zeros followed by 1, and then go in there and copy the bean save.dat. Going to copy that, then we're going to move back over to our GE folder, which is going to be your Documents GE, the B13 EBA BEBA EBE followed by the 584108A9, a bunch of zeros and a 1, and just paste that in, and then restart your game. That worked for me. I hope it worked for you. Like, subscribe, leave your comments down below if you have any issues. What are some of your favorite maps? Are some of your favorite memories playing this game in your childhood? Because I have so many, especially the multiplayer and Proximity Mines. Some of the content I have coming up later down the pipeline is going to be VR 180 3D that I shot out in Yosemite a few weeks ago. So, until next time, I've been Walter, and I will see you later. Bye-bye now.